everyone, I'm Kashish from Bennett University, Biotech Department, batch of 2023. Currently, I'm working at Premas Biotech as a business development executive trainee. Reflecting on my time at the university, I can confidently say it was a transformative experience. My teachers have helped me learn and become a researcher and have not just been lecturing me. Learning never stopped at the classrooms. It actually started via conferences, ideathons, hackathons, mini projects, having my own mind, learning new things, and always having a supportive hand to do projects that I wanted to and build up new things from scratch. That is what shaped me into a really good scientist and a researcher. That is what happens when you study at Bennett. You get exposed to such good techniques and lab culture that you really want to be immersed into the learning experience rather than being forced into it. My best memories at the campus have, of course, been the university events. The campus becomes so full of life and it becomes so lively. There's chitter chatter all around, and people are just having so much fun. It's almost impossible to feel homesick. Late night walks, moving around the campus with your friends, and having notoriously late movie nights. That's what made my hostel experience and campus experience even more memorable.